Hyperplasia. It is defined as increase in the number of cells in organ or a tissue. Hyperplasia can be physiological or pathological. In physiological hyperplasia, there are two types. First is a hormonal hyperplasia. For example, proliferation of glandular epithelium of mammary gland occur at the time of puberty and pregnancy. Second is a compensatory hyperplasia. For instance, hyperplasia occur when a portion of tissue is removed. For example, partial hepectomy. Here, hepatome means liver and tomy means surgical removal of something. When some part of liver is removed, then due to the hyperplasia, liver came back to the normal condition. As we all know that liver have regenerative power. In pathological hyperplasia, first is a repeated and prolonged irritation. It occurs by mechanical, chemical and thermal agent. For example, callus on the elbow and stifle of the dog and hand of working man. Second is a endocrine disturbance. For example, hyperplasia of prostate gland in the old dog. Administration of excessive amount of estrogen produce the hyperplasia in the epithelial and connective tissue of mammary gland. Third is a nutritional disturbance. For example, iodine deficiency can cause hyperplasia of thyroid gland, which is known as goiter, and vitamin A deficiency result into the hyperplasia in the esophagus of chicken. Fourth is an infectious agent. For example, pox virus and papilloma virus can cause hyperplasia of epithelium in the cattle. And sheep infected with the contagious ecthyma virus, there will be hyperplasia in the epithelium of lips. Fifth one is a wound healing. Hyperplasia of connective tissue will be seen in the wound healing. Now, remember this interesting fact that in adult animal, only some type of cell such as hepatic cell and fibroblast can proliferate, while nerve cells and muscle cell do not. Meaning, hyperplasia of nerve and muscle cell will not occur. Only hypertrophy will occur. Meaning, nerve and muscle cell only increase in size. They do not produce new cells.